Hey guys, how's it going? My name is Reno with Armor Coating and Armor Fabrication. Today we got a few things to talk about, but first I want to give a big shout out to Brian Ham, the owner of Hammer Concepts and Designs. We've been working together for many years now. I've been doing a lot of his powder coating and started building his fabrication tables and chassis tables, and there's a lot going on behind me right now. We got customers coming to pick this stuff up in the next couple of days. I got to ship these fabrication tables off, but to my left here we got a full Hammer Concepts and Design chassis table, really decked out with all your tooling to build race car chassis with. And over here we got some 30 by 60 rotary tables we're finishing assembling. Should have everything done up tomorrow. One's going to be raw, the other one's black with stainless trim. But today is all about the Pro 9 fixture table from Hammer Concepts and Designs. This thing is pretty awesome. A lot of awesome features, and I'm going to highlight that for you right now. Everything was thought about in this fixture when it comes to the build process of the Fab 9 housings. They're typically around a 2-week delivery time, but as you know, metal prices and everything is kind of crazy right now, shipping, so just be wary about that. But I'm going to hit some of the highlights and then show you up close of what it looks like and everything. But first, this billet center right here, this is an aluminum cast plate, specifically metal for tooling, and it is a 1.5 inch thick mic 6 cast aluminum plate, billet plate, machined, all machined, threaded holes. The measurement grid is etched in the fixture top off pinion center. And I'll show you all the up close of that in just a second. 1.5 inch spacer rings that bolts to the table for the housing faceplate separately, and that's that piece right there. This one's already installed because they'll be here in a day or so to pick it up. 1/4 inch steel frame, rotary gearbox, your brass grounding receptacle over the side so you don't have to fight wires with your table, grounding clamps or stuff. And this one's powder coated in blackjack, a semi-gloss, or not semi-gloss, a satin to a matte finish. So I just wanted to highlight that, and then I'm going to take you guys over and check it out and show you some of it up close and personal. All right, look at that. So there's your pinion center. All of these are nice, machined, amazing quality. These are your axle tube clamps. I think there's 3 inch, 3 1/4, and 3.5 inch plate adapters, and you can get those separately. Buy one with the table. Pretty sure the table starts around $4,500 and go up there depending on what tooling and extra pieces you get. But it's super nice. I'm gonna get my wife to hold the camera and I'll show you all the operation of the rotary system up close. This right here. So it makes it really possible to weld out of position, in a position, so you don't have to get up under it. You can weld this dude straight up vertical. So that's really key to getting those beautiful welds like Hammer's Fab 9's rear ends housings. And that's how you achieve it. Really nice. You can rotate it. I probably wouldn't rotate it with a rear end housing. You could probably clear it, but it can rotate all the way around. And you also have right here, you have your TIG torch holder. So you can put your TIG torch here. Your grounding receptacle is over here on the other side. Really nice. These little key features make this table really awesome. And let me tell you, looks amazing in a shop. I mean, I've got a 30 by 60 rotary table, and people come in my shop all the time, and as soon as they see that table, they're like, what is that? It is truly it's a functioning work of art tool, and that's probably the best description I can give you right there, because they look great and they perform amazing. But thank you guys for tuning in. I really appreciate it, and we'll be doing more of these videos. And I need to sit down and get a a chassis table video because there's a lot of extra, but I got 2 more fixing to be done. And hopefully I can get next week and get one of those up on the YouTube channel for you guys so y'all can check it out in person. Thanks, and we'll be adding these links to Hammer's website, so y'all can, when y'all going in there looking at them, you can go right to the YouTube channel and check it out. You guys have an awesome day, and thanks for tuning in.